Good morning. Kami daripada grup 1, kita akan mula dengan eksperimen to determine the bacteria present in environment dan identification of bacteria with spore and mold. Ini adalah Fakri, Adriana, saya Dorothy, sebelah saya Fahana dan ini adalah Hasanah yang akan membentangkan video kita pada hari ini. So let's start with the first experiment.
Petri dish yang kita dah label iaitu A1 and B1. Then A1 ni adalah kita akan letakkan kepada exposed air, and untuk B ni kita tak perlu buat apa-apa sebab dia act as a control. Okay. Then kita akan letakkan ni di luar lab lah. Okey, ni adalah petri dish A tadi dan kita akan letakkan petri dish A ni di luar lab. Bukakan penutup dia. Dah. Okay, now we will proceed to the experiment to determine the cleanness of part of your body, things, environment and places. Okay, this is the petri dish that has been labeled. Okay, we take 3 petri dish, which is for the first is we will identify the bacteria in at our finger. For the second is we will identify the bacteria at parts of our body, and the third is for the place. Okay, first for the part for the finger, first we need to put our fingers to one section of this petri dish. Okay, now we will close the lid, and I will wash our finger with soap by using soap. Then wash. Now we will let it to dry. Okay, then after we wash our hand, then for the thumb too, we will put the finger back.
A clean one.
Done. This is the clean one finger. Okay, then we close the lid, and we will incubate the petri dish for 37 degrees Celsius for 1 or 2 days. Okay, for the next step, take a cotton swab and write at any place, and our group choose handphone, and slowly put that. Then for the body parts, take another cotton swab and swab and put it. We slowly take and we will put on the petri dish number 2. Slowly
Smear it.
and smear it.
Ni siapa nak buat dia? Aku dah pegang kat sini.
Then close it. Okay, this for the 2 petri dish we will incubate at 37 degrees Celsius, and we will wait until 1 to 2 days.
To identify the bacteria and mold using the wet mouth, first we need to sterile the wire loop over the flame.
Atun pakar mikro kita tak ada jumpa.
Leave it to cool before we take a drop of distilled water and place it on the glass slide. Sterile our wire loop again before we want to take the spore on the mold. Let it cool first, then
Tak nampak, tak nampak.
You sana. Oh my god. Yes.
Nak pakai nama. Kat situ lah.
On the glass, place the spore on the glass slide and smear it.
Dah, boleh?
Use the right wire loop
Next.
to be used for the next experiment. Okay. The next step is we need to cover it with the glass slide. Please make sure they don't have any gas bubbles. Then we can observe under the microscope and draw our findings.
Okay.
Let's proceed to the next experiment to identify bacteria with spore. So we have to prepare two fixed smear, one with heat stick, the other one to stand with crystal violet, the other one is to stand with malicious. So first, sterilize the inoculum wire and left it to cool. Take a loop of sterile water and place it onto the slide. Sterile again under the flame. And take a colony of bacteria and smear it. Place it under the flame to fixation around a few seconds. So stand the fixed smear with crystal violet for 1 minute.
Apa banyak kan nak baca? Apa lah? Asyik kena tampak 10 minit tu je.
After 1 minute, wash the crystal violet stand with running tap water and place a cover slide onto the slide. Tak. Tisu. Let it blood and dry.
Nanti hilang. Kau tekan ni. Lepas.
Fina.
Yang dia?
Pas.
Mikroskop mana?
Oh, okay, faham. And then place a cover slide and observe it under the microscope
Under magnification or
with the magnification of 45. Okay. Okay, for the other speed step, we're going to follow the other step. We have prepared a heat beaker containing water and let it boil. So next, place a few drops of malic green over the slide.
Konsep boba.
Malic green and steam over a beaker of water placed on a hot plate. At first, let's drop a few malic.
A few drops. Limpah je. Wait it.
For around 10 minutes.
Wait it for around 10 minutes.
And take the slide to the sink to wash it with running tap after done with the 10 minutes.
Berasa
Okay, berasap dah. Ambil ke buku? Pause dulu.
And then
Until the stem do not come out anymore. Next, restaining with saffron for around 2 minutes. Wash, blot and dry the slide, and later observe the slide using 45 or 100 objective lens.
dry it. Nanti hilang semua melekat kat situ. Dah.
Put this light on the
Microscope.
for observation.
We start with the 10 time of
10.
degree 10 magnification.
Lepas clean the slide, nanti ambil sterile inocular, lepas tu add 1 drop of sterile water. Into the slide nanti.
Only one drop.
Add 1 drop of water.
Okay.
Sterile balik inocular tu, lepas tu kita akan ambil colonies of bacteria and smear onto the slide. Kita ambil yang paling banyak lah.
Yang paling banyak nak yang ni ke?
Yang ni kan, yang before. Kita ambil koloni dia. Okay. Lepas tu yang sterile balik, lepas tu kita akan heat fix lah yang ni. Heat fix bacteria. Baru kita akan tambah a few drop of crystal violet dalam half or 1 minute lah. Crystal violet. Sekarang. Leave it lah for 1 or 2 minutes.
Dia lalu barang-barang kimia biasa.
Ya. Mana tak dulu? Pause lah.
Satu je.
Lepas 1 minit, cuci with running tap water and then add a few drop of iodine after that.
Ada few dot of iodine. Iodine lah macam. And leave again for 1 minute. Dia tahu check water dia baru letak. Okay. Wash again with water. Nani boleh bersih. And decolorize with few drop of alcohol.
Untuk nama-nama tu.
Tenang. Tenang. Lepas tu awak basuh balik. Lepas tu baru letak safranin. Macam cerita finish itu. And then cover with bacteria smear. Bacteria smear with safranin for 1 minute. Orang tua jam nyampuk. Kena pasang air ke?
Dia tulis apa-apa tak?
Itu betul lah. Potong. Kena tengok. Mana nak buat sampai habis. Place a cover slide. Tak kisahlah. Tapi kalau nak letak using 100 baru kita letak tu. Kita boleh kat orang observe. Tu. After kita done with blot the slide with towel tissue, place a cover slide onto the slide and then observe under the microscope and then repeat the procedure using different bacterial culture.